Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Gone are the days of developers making games catered only to simple gaming rigs. As technology advances, so do the requirements and complexity needed to run today's cutting-edge video games. Now, more than ever, gaming PCs offer appropriate options for everyone's budget for an excellent performance experience. So get ready as we review the 5 best gaming PCs in this video. The links of these desktop computers are mentioned in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and let us know if you liked the video. Number 5. CYBERPOWERPC Extreme VR PC. The 5th best gaming PC is the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR. It is designed for gamers who want the best gaming experience available. This powerful machine is VR ready with HTC Vive and Oculus Rift. The high-performance 12-core Intel i7-12700KF processor and 12GB NVIDIA RTX 3060 GPU allow you to play all the latest games at the highest settings. Its video card has 1 HDMI and 2 display ports. The MSI Aegis RS has both SSD and HDD. The 500GB NVMe PCIe SSD offers fast load times, and the 2TB HDD provides plenty of storage for your games. It also has a 16GB DDR4 SDRAM, but is lower in speed and capacity than DDR5. This gaming PC comes with Windows 11 Home OS. Its 7.1 channel audio provides great sound quality, and the liquid cooler keeps your system cool during long gaming sessions. The custom RGB case lighting allows you to customize your system's look. Moreover, the system comes with a keyboard and mouse. Other features include 5 USB 3.1 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, and 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. However, it is little heavier at 40 ohms. Let's move on to the 4th best gaming PC. Number 4. MSI Aegis RS Gaming Desktop PC. The MSI Aegis RS is powered by an Intel Core i7-12700KF processor, a top-of-the-line chip with hybrid architecture capable of speeds up to 5 GHz. It is partnered with an 8GB NVIDIA RTX 3060 video card and 16GB dual-channel DDR5 SDRAM, making it capable of handling even the most demanding games. Both its RAM and GPU are better than the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme. As for storage, you get a 1 TB NVMe SSD, which offers lightning-fast read and write speeds. Windows 11 Home is pre-installed, as is MSI's gaming software. In addition, it comes with RGB lighting built in, allowing you to customize the look to your preference. There are 3 front fans and an exhaust fan paired with a 240mm CPU liquid cooler, ensuring that your system stays cool even during extended gaming sessions. The Aegis RS is fully compatible and easily expandable if you need more storage and memory or upgrade parts. Wi-Fi 6E support means you'll get the fastest wireless speeds possible. Moreover, it features 4 USB 2.0 ports and 2 USB 3.0 ports. Finally, it weighs just 29.98 lbs, so it's easy to transport to your next LAN party or tournament. Number 3. Alienware Aurora R14 Gaming PC. Next on our list comes the Alienware Aurora R14 Gaming PC. It is also a VR-ready machine with the latest and greatest gaming technology. It boasts an 8-core AMD Ryzen 7 5800 processor with a boost clock speed of up to 4.6 GHz. Its processor is weaker in performance than Intel Core i7-12700KF, but it has a better GPU than the previously mentioned gaming PCs. The Alienware Aurora R14 comes with the RTX 3070 8GB GDDR6 graphics card. It offers you the power to smash through today's most graphically intensive games. If we talk about the hard disk, it has both SSD and HDD. The combo of 512GB SSD and 1 TB HDD allows you to reap the benefits offered by each type. Furthermore, it features 16GB DDR4 SDRAM. The best part is its sleek and evolutionary design with a clear side panel. The Windows 11 Home is pre-installed, and it has Wi-Fi 6 support. Its air-cooled cooling system is quiet and efficient, and the machine weighs 36.40 joules. Finally, the exclusive Alienware lighting provides an extra touch of class. Number 2. Acer Predator Orion 3000 Gaming PC. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is designed to provide the power you need to dominate your opponents. It is a serious gaming rig that packs some serious punch. The RTX 3070 8GB GPU offers stunning visuals and realism, while the 512GB M2 PCIe SSD ensures fast load times. It also has a 1 TB HDD that provides ample storage space. The graphics card of this machine has 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. This gaming PC has a powerful 12-core Intel i7-12700F processor that can reach speeds up to 4.9 GHz. Its 16 GB DDR4 SDRAM is expandable up to 64 GB. The DDS-X Ultra Audio provides immersive sound, and the 6 GHz Wi-Fi 6E offers benefits from higher speeds, lower latency, and overall improved performance while gaming. Its advanced cooling system ensures everything gets the airflow it needs. If we talk about ports, then it offers plenty of connectivity options. These include 1 USB 3.2 Type-C and 4 USB 2.0 Type-A ports. Also, it has USB 3.2 Type-A Generation 1 and 2 ports. The system also comes with Predator RGB gaming keyboard and mouse. With its transparent chassis, it looks great on any desk. Finally, its weight is only 11.84 joules, which makes it lighter than all previously mentioned PCs. Now we are going to review the top best gaming PC. Number 1. Skytech Chronos Gaming PC. Skytech Chronos is the best gaming PC to buy in 2023. It is also VR ready with Oculus, HTC Vive, and HP Reverb. The Intel 12-core i7-12700K processor with a boost clock speed of up to 4.9 GHz provides the power you need to take on the most demanding tasks and games. It has the most powerful RTX 3080 10GB GDDR6X graphics card that ensures smooth, realistic graphics that make you feel right in the middle of the action. You will get ultra gaming performance at 1444 resolutions. With 1 TB NVMe SSD and 32 GB DDR5 RAM, it allows you to load up on your favorite games and enjoy uninterrupted gameplay without stuttering or lagging. 4 RGB fans give your PC a great look and keep it cool simultaneously. Skytech Chronos has a variety of USB ports, including 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports. It also comes with a keyboard and mouse, so there is no need to purchase them separately. In the end, it only weighs 33.6 joules. Thanks for watching.